Earlier today, Reisman also did some maintenance work on the station's Fluid Science Laboratory. That's the European Space Agency's equipment that's used to conduct fluid physics research on the station. Reisman changed out some cable equipment on it earlier. The Fluid Science Laboratory can be used to help scientists understand how fluids behave in microgravity, which could lead to the development of new fluid delivery systems and future spaceship designs. It has the equipment has cameras and interferometers and lights that can be used for observation of the experiments, as well as scientific instruments such as digital and infrared cameras, and the means to conduct experiments in extreme heat or cold. The crew just has to set up the experiment in the chamber, and after that, scientists on the ground can take over the operations. But if the crew is needed, they can also play a role in the experiment using a laptop. Just coming into view in this video from the station's cameras is the coast of Namibia. The station's flying about 220 miles above it right now. But earlier today, it also flew over tropical cyclone Nargis in the Bay of Bengal east of India, which was part of one of the targets for the crew Earth observation program today. As they have time, astronauts on the station can take advantage of special opportunities to photograph specific features on the Earth as they fly over. The idea being to look for changes and interconnections in the Earth's surface, atmosphere, biosphere, and oceans. Over the years, astronauts have taken more than 300,000 photos of as part of the program. The station at about 2:35 a.m. Central Time passed over the tropical cyclone. That storm was a Category 3 when the station passed over it yesterday and has since increased to a Category 4. It's predicted to move toward Burma, and there's also some concern that it may ruin this year's crops in Bangladesh.
Alpha on 2 for EVA prep. Go ahead, Garrett, on space prep 2. Jason, I just noticed that
total, looks like I need 4 85-foot tethers, and on the tether wall, I only have 2. So I was wondering if you could help me out by trying to suggest a location where I might look for another 2 85-footers.
Garrett, the 2 additional tethers should be coming up on 124.